Hello, and welcome to my video. This is a 2019 Quailridge 39 CBDL, and it is unit number 11838. It's clay with white siding and white trim and white shutters, and it's a good looking trailer. Thermopane windows and doors with the house type rear entry door. Let's go on in and have a look. This is a triple axle trailer that is 14.5 feet tall. MSRP is just shy of $59,000. Everything in a park model stays in it. The drapes, furniture, appliances, decorations, lamps, end tables, nightstands, it all stays. If you see it in here, it comes with, except for me. There's your electric fireplace at the entertainment center, which would house basically any size TV you would even want to put in there. Lots of wraparound cabinetry, some shelving, nice amount of storage. Storage is always in a short supply in a park model because it's a balance between square footage and storage and usefulness. This is a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, 18 cubic foot fridge, 56,000 BTU furnace. Heading on into the bathroom. This is one of our favorite bathrooms, neo-angle shower, and that gains it the linen closet or towel closet beside. So you can either have this with the full bath and no linen closet, or a neo-angle shower with the linen closet. This time around, our model has one with a linen closet. This is probably the biggest loft in any of the trailers I sell, and it encompasses, I would say, 2/3 of the trailer. It's got entertainment center back there in the corner, about 44 inches tall in the peak, I would say. Come on over and have a look. Heading back downstairs. I think I forgot to go to the master bedroom, but it's your Quailridge bedroom. Queen bed, Serta mattress. This actually has a house type rear entry door with the cool mini blind. Pretty cool, huh? It's an upgrade that I requested for this one. Carpet in the master bedroom and loft only. The closets and drawers are real nice in these Quailridges. There's a light in each side and a light in the center where the medicine cabinet or makeup mirror is. Medicine cabinet's in the bathroom. Wrong room. Okay, so heading back out, this trailer flows well. It's your maple, vintage maple cabinetry. Ceramic tile, PVC flooring, ceramic tile style. How's that for verbiage? Ceramic tile style. Okay, there's our ceiling fan. Nice big living room. This is the 2019 Quailridge 39 CBDL in stock at Kelly Hicks RV in Sublette, Illinois. For just shy of 59, and it's a great model to have. We've sold dozens of them over the years. Have a great day.